everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you an update of my hauls basically, and I'm not going to be showing you all the products because I know I'm late for this video, but I'm going to be showing you the ones that I like the most and the ones that I definitely don't like. Some of the products that I don't like, they're not even here anymore. They say bye-bye, ciao to my collection already. So I'm gonna be inserting pictures of those products that I know I returned because obviously I know I returned them, but obviously because I didn't like them. But let's start with the products that I actually have physically here that I love really much, and I'm gonna be mixing with the ones that I like, but I'm not returning them, but they're not like wow. And let's start with Marc Jacobs. I like and hate this product. I like how it looks on my skin when I apply it, but I don't like how my skin looks at the end of the day. It looks shimmery as a mess. I don't know why. But I have mine in the shade 52 Serum, and this is obviously the setting powder that they have. I don't know, it's okay, but I don't love it. I'm keeping it because I like how matte my skin looks like. At the same time, it has a little bit shimmery. It's kind of like a confusing product. And the brush is not practical. I was super excited about it, but even in the video I mentioned it that this is not gonna be practical. I only use it once and I don't think it's practical. Another item from Marc Jacobs. This is gigantic and I was extremely excited about this product, but at the same time I haven't reached for it too much. I have over highlight right now in this, naturally in this video, that I am like flipping off for it. This one is the 80 Worth the Wait. So it's okay, but I don't love it. I don't hate it, that's why I never return it, but I really like other one better. And with the same tone, I'm gonna talk about Benefit Cheerleader Mini Bronze Squad. This is amazing. Oh my god. This highlighter here, Cookie, is, I'm in love with it. I really like Cookie. Hola, I already had it and I like it. This blush is beautiful, but definitely in love with this. I love it. Talking about bronzers, oh my god, Fenty. I love this bronzer. It's so good. I have used it so much. I have the shade Shabies. I love this bronzer, it's so good. Talking again about bronzers, this is not too old for me. This is basically, I recently, like 2 weeks ago, maybe more, I don't know, I'm horrible with timing. I got this and I used it like 4 times. And this is the Too Faced Natural Lost Bronzer. The packaging is beautiful. I don't like how large it is. I like it because obviously I'm getting a lot of product, but I don't like it because it's really hard to store, but the product is beautiful. That's actually the bronzer that I have right now on me, and I definitely love it. I actually have more products that I like that dislike in here, but I will definitely show you the ones that I return to. Keeping the theme of face products, basically without eyeshadow or anything like that. Oh my goodness. I have this in 2 medium. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. Oh my god, I used this baby twice at this point and I am like extremely in love with it. It's beautiful. I never used such a thing that it made me look so flawless. Literally beautiful. This is so expensive. Next item, Busan. I have this in the color Havana and this shade is beautiful. The packaging is like, no big deal, but the color is amazing. The pigmentation is beautiful. I love the formula. It's super good. A product that it was sent to me and OMG, loving it. Undone Beauty. This is a lip to cheek palette, rosy, and that's what I'm wearing right now in my lips, but you can wear it also in your cheeks, and this product is so creamy, so good. Let's spice this a little bit and voila. What do you think? I love it or hate it? Oh my god, people, I love this product. Natasha Denona, you killed it. This is so beautiful. I definitely love this palette. I use it many times since I got it and I am in love. This is amazing. Natasha Denona formula is insane. It's so good. Laura Mercier, this is Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. I like the finish of this foundation. it is a mess to find your shade. The first time I got linen, this is macadamian, and I still feel like it's a little too dark for me. I don't know. I have to go back to that video when I applied this, but I have a feeling that it was too dark still. I don't know if it is the oxidized or something is going up. I think it oxidized, just like the Fenty one oxidized. You have to wait, because this one I think it still looks dark on me. So I might just make a mix between this one and my Cosas number 2, that is a very light color, and kind of like call it a day, because I really like the formula and I just don't know how to find my shade. It's so hard. And keep in mind, the first time I made a mistake picking linen, and this time somebody helped me. So I don't know what's happening with this, because I took the time to go to Sephora and get somebody to help me. In the same family, this is the Too Faced. This is the Pitch Perfect in the shade Vanilla. Oh my god, this is not new whatsoever, but I'm so happy. I wait and I wait and I wait and I end up getting it anyways, because this is fabulous. I love this foundation. It's so beautiful, perfect for me. I mean, like, for me, I love it. I love it, really love it. A product for the brows that I'm been killing it every single day. I use it so much. I have it right now in my brows. Is this Urban Decay, and I still don't remember the name, Double Down Brow. I always make that mistake, and I have it in brunette. This is a powder, and people, using a powder is so much faster and easier than a pencil or any other product. No high-end, but almost there, because it's very pricey. My Jeffree Star Concealer, I freaking love it. It's so lightweight, but at the same time cover everything that you need to be covered. I know I'm the shade C6, and I'm waiting for them to restock on all of them, because this is C9 and this is too close to my skin color. I need a lighter one, but this formula is beautiful. Another formula that I've been loving is this Marc Jacobs concealer. This is in the shade Light 26, and the colors are a little confusing. This is a little too yellow for me, but it works. I like it. I've been using it, and I really like the applicator. It's kind of like funny looking. It's like a lipstick, and I really like it though. I've been enjoying this formula, surprisingly, because Marc Jacobs has been giving me a hard time lately. Another product that was sent to me, and I want to mention it because I still stand by my review. This is so good. This is the Fresh Sugar Peach Hydrating Lip Balm. I keep this one and I give it to my aunt, the other one that I think was lime or lemon. It smells so good. It smells like peachy. This is so hydrating and beautiful for the lips. I love this for a day that I'm wearing minimal makeup or basically no makeup. I really like this product. And last but not least, the products that are here. OMG. This is just beautiful just by looking at it. Like, what do you think? You tell me. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hotline 2. I believe that's the name. Let me double check because I already forgot. Yes, this is the Hot Lips 2 basically, and these colors are just stunning. I already have one of their liners I got recently, and oh my god, I really like the formula. It's super nice. And I also have something else. Let me show you. This single eyeshadow from Charlotte Tilbury Star Gold is beautiful, people. I love this shade so much. I highly recommend it. It's a little pricey. They only had 2 shades. I have only the Star Gold, and I freaking love it. I flipped for it. I love this thing. It's so good. So for primers, I almost skipped the topic of primers. I've been really liking this Horizon. I think I'm saying it right or wrong. I'm not so sure, but this is the Banana Bright Face Primer, and this is gorgeous. I love this one. It's so good. And I also really like the Tasha. I think a lot of people like this. The Silk Canvas is really good too. But someone that it was sent to me, I don't remember if it was BoxyCharm or it was Ipsy. I believe it was BoxyCharm. At this point I don't remember, but it was this No Problem Prime Essence Touching Soul. This is confusing. It says that it's a prime, but at the same time, it is kind of like a serum. My skin looks like a hot mess when I wear this under my makeup after a few hours. Literally, I wear my, where is it? I wear this the other day. I have a video. The end of the video, I look so shiny after using this and this together that is not a joke. I wear the next day with this primer and everything was perfectly fine. It's definitely this primer who doesn't work for me. It's just horrible. I don't like this thing. Another setting powder that I've been liking a lot is the Fenty, and also a lot the Jeffree Star one. Really, really good. The Fenty is beautiful. The Hourglass is beautiful as well, but I hate the packaging. I literally don't like this packaging. This age is so annoying. It's very difficult to use this thing. I don't like the packaging of this. Definitely that's a problem with this. Alright, so I'm gonna try to look for images and I'm gonna be adding it here. But definitely the Fenty Body Lava Body Luminizer. A hot mess. Oh my goodness, that thing was transferring to everywhere and everybody and everything in this planet. I hated that thing. The Morocco, I actually have this thing in here. The Morocco Body Butter. Oh my god, people, you have to get this one. This is the original fragrance. This is, oh, look at how it is. Empty almost. It's so delicious. I love the essence of this thing. It's just, oh my god, it just give me like something, I don't know what. It's just good. And talking about things for the body, this was sent to me too by Sol de Janeiro Brazil Play Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel, and this is also beautiful. It has the original smell to it, but it's not overwhelming. Like some of the products are getting a little overwhelming. This is not overwhelming. It's very light scent to it, so it's very, very nice. And I like how soft and creamy feels on the skin and how nice my skin looks after shower. So I recommend this one too. It was sent to me though, don't forget that. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that it was informative for you. Here I'm gonna be putting videos that I think are perfect for you to watch. I will see you in those videos. Bye. Let it go, chin up, no one knows, but I won't let the stormy sea